Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to install ROS2 Jazzy on Ubuntu 24.04, which is Ubuntu Noble. So first thing, we need to have Ubuntu Noble installed on our laptop or PC. Then we have to open the documentation for ROS2 Jazzy from here and get into the section of installation and then Ubuntu DEB packages. Of course I will leave the link under this video. So first thing, we have to open our terminal. We can open it from the menu or using Ctrl-Alt-T. Our terminal will be on screen. Then let's make this terminal as always on top, so it's not going to hide when I click anywhere. Okay, so first thing, to install ROS we have to set local. Simply we have to copy the following commands and apply it in the terminal. So we copy it from here and then Ctrl-Shift-V to paste, or right click and you can click on paste. Both are working fine. Then we should enter our password, it's required. Okay, so set local is done. Then we need to enable the required repositories. So we have also to apply these commands or to run it on our terminal. We have to press enter. Okay, after that we should add the ROS2 GPG keys, okay, to apt. So we simply copy this command and paste it here. Please take care if you are getting any error through this command. Make sure you are copying it in the right way, because sometimes, especially for beginners, there are some errors appear in terminal, so you have to take care about that. Okay, after that we should add the repository of ROS to your source list. And after that we should do apt update to update our source list, and also install ROS developer tools or ROS DEV tools. As we see, it's an optional, but it's important to install it because we are going to use these development tools. Okay, now we should do sudo apt update. We already did it before, but let's do it again just to confirm. And it's recommended to do like sudo apt upgrade to upgrade any Ubuntu packages exist, to upgrade it to the latest version. It's recommended, so we are going to do this command also. Of course it will ask me for some space will be added to the disk, so I say yes. Okay, after upgrade, okay, as you see I have some error, but it's related to any disk, so it's not affecting on our installation. So after that we should choose which version of ROS we need to install. Like as we see here, we have two versions: ROS desktop install, which is recommended. This one contain ROS, RViz and demos, tutorials. And this one, which we are going to install now, because we are going to use ROS on our PC or desktop, so it's good to have like ROS Jazzy desktop. In case that you are going to use ROS on one of single board computers like Raspberry Pi or Jetson Nano, or on your own robot, so you may need to use this version, which is ROS. You may use this version, which is ROS based. It's mainly for such devices. Okay, but as I said before, we will use this version, Jazzy desktop. It's also asking me to accept for the additional space will be added because the installation of packages for us. So I say yes and continue. Okay, so now ROS2 Jazzy is installed on the PC. The next optional step that we can add or install some additional ROS middleware. The default one exists on or exists with ROS is FastDDS. Okay, but there are multiple options. We can switch between the middlewares in the runtime or at the runtime. So for now we are going to uh, just depend on the FastDDS, the default one. The next step is to set up the environment, like set or source the ROS inside bash rc, so it will be always source it when you open any new terminal. Of course you can like source it each time when you open a new terminal, like that. If we did it like that, so it's sourced in this terminal, but if we open any new terminal it will not be sourced, like we can't find, or if we try to run any ROS2 command it will not be found. So to solve this problem we can add it to bash rc. Let's use gedit or nano to check our bash rc and add this command inside it. So we will write nano and bash rc. Okay, it's open here. Nano is a text editor tool. We can use it to update files or create files and update it using terminal. Okay, so at the end of the bash rc file we will add this command. Let's copy it and add it here. So after that we click on Control S, okay, to write the line, and then Control X to exit from Nano. Okay, so if we want to check the file again, we will find the command is added here. Okay, to apply this update on bash rc we need to source our bash rc file, so we will source it like that, bash rc. Let's close this terminal. Okay, now ROS is installed and it's sourced in all of our terminals, so we can try to run some demo code to make sure that everything is running fine. Let's keep this one on the top. We already sourced ROS in all terminals, so no need to copy this command. If you didn't do the last step I did, you have to copy it. So here I will run this simple command, which is ROS2 run, and there is package called demo node cpp, and this package contains some node or C++ node which is called toker. When I click enter I see the node now is running. It's publishing a hello world and counting, okay, to some topic. Okay, in other terminal we need to run this other command, which is listener, which is listening to this toker. Okay, so we will copy this one and paste it in the other terminal. As we see, like when the publisher is running and we run the listener, it's like listening to what is publishing here. Okay, and we can see it's like repeating the messages. So if we stop the toker, the listener will not receive any messages. Okay, so now we have ROS in our system. We can start developing ROS nodes, ROS2 nodes. That was all for today. In next video we are planning like to install Gazebo Sim, the compatible version of Gazebo Sim with ROS2 Jazzy. See you next lecture.